Hi, I'm Michael with Danfoss, and today we're going to take a look at the new lockout ring for industrial refrigeration. The new Danfoss lockout ring allows for safely tamper-proofing the position of seal cap supplied valves in a manner similar to how handwheel valves are locked. After the valve has been adjusted to the fully opened or fully closed position, simply slide the lockout ring onto the Danfoss seal cap. With the seal cap in place, secure the Danfoss lockout ring with a tightened chain, hasp, and padlocks, not included. This simple solution ensures recommended safety guidelines are followed during maintenance and repair activities. The Danfoss lockout ring provides a foolproof way to prevent valve tampering and ensure safety. For more information about this product, see the description below. And for more videos like this, visit our YouTube channel, Danfoss Cool US, and thank you for watching.